Hey guys, so those of you who does not know my cat Domino is over here playing, and we're gonna make a video of him. So let's go. Domino TV. Oh my gosh, he's climbing on the computer now. Okay, let's bring him down on the floor, guys. He's do his little toy. Yeah. Okay, here you go. Oh my gosh. Take it down the floor right now. First of all. He always climbs on the computer. I don't know why. Besides Steve. Just chilling. Oh my gosh. Just kind of, damn. Like that, nah, but I don't want to do this. Oh no, I shouldn't do. Let's get him into his little house. Let's get him into his little house. Of that you've seen over on the channel. Yes, there's. What's that like? Oh, Cooper. He loves it. He like it. He like it. Oh no. Oh no. He is take something. Okay. I'm like, come. Don't be shy. Up on his. Oh yes. Here I now. Just looking around, and he's back in his little house. He likes that house. Jeez. I'm gonna give him one of his toys. I'm not sleeping. What? Hey, no. It's not. It's morning. Oh my gosh. He loves his little house. Like in there? It's like, yes, let me get a close up. Better view. Then who are you? Is that me? Oh, jeez. I'm gonna give him another one of his toys. See if I can find one. Here's his laser. Don't know. He sees it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here, it's in here. Oh my gosh. Come on. Where'd it go? Where? Oh. No. Come on. Oh my gosh, you went on the couch. Well then, that's gonna wrap it. Well then, that's gonna wrap it for this video. Want to see more videos with my cat? Like and subscribe, and let's give Domino Hey, bye bye. Say hi. Say bye. Bye, guys. He did that. Bye, guys. Peace out. Like and subscribe um to Cat Kingdom, and peace out.